What's good, fam? In this video, we got a clipper from Safari Pedals. Let's go. Like I said, family, in this video, we got a dope clipper by Safari Pedals. It's called the Zebra Clipper. So enough of me talking. Let's head over to the computer and check this out. All right, fam. So here we have the Zebra Clipper by Safari Pedals. I like to use clippers on individual instruments. I like to use it when I get a 2-track beat in the mix. And I also use clippers on my mix bus for a final mix. But today we're going to use this clipper on an actual 2-track beat that we got to mix. So I like to use clippers, man. Clippers just add some more volume, just glues things together, just add some more oomph to your audio source. So like I said, we're going to use this on a beat today. If you guys want to see me use this on a mix, on an overall mix bus or individual instruments, just let me know and I'll make a video about that as well. I love using clippers, man. So let's go over this clipper really quickly. Here you have your input meter, you have your output meter. Here's your meter for your gain reduction. You have your input and your output. Here's your input knob. Here's your output knob. You have 3 different styles here. You have analog, you have modern, and you have round. This is your Mojo switch. This just add a little extra analog flair. You have your sub boost, add some more low end. You have your mix knob or your blend knob here. And you also have over sampling. So let's go ahead and turn this off. Then we'll play the beat and then we'll turn this on. All right, there we have the beat. As you can hear, it sounds pretty good. Let's go ahead and turn this Zebra Clipper on and see if we hear a difference straight off the bat. All right, we definitely hear a little difference. So what we're going to do now, we're going to go over each section. We're going to check out the analog, the modern, and the round just to hear what kind of sound we get from each. Then we'll check out the Mojo, we'll check out the sub boost, and then we'll dial this thing in. So first, let's go ahead and just play this how we have it. We'll go to analog, we'll go to modern, then we'll go to round. First is analog. Modern. Round. Modern again. Analog. All right, I also forgot to mention, here's the bypass switch, here's auto gain, and this plugin is also resizable, man, which is great, especially if you wear glasses like me or if you work on larger screens. This can definitely come in handy with the resizable plugins. I don't know why every manufacturer don't do it. All right, enough of that. Let's go ahead and check out this Mojo. 50%. 75%. 100%. Definitely adds that analog grit, man. Now let's check out this sub boost. 20%. 50%. 75%. 100%. Woo. Sub boost off. On. All right, there we have it, man. The Zebra Clipper. Like I said, it's pretty self-explanatory, man. Now let's go ahead and see if we could dial this beat in to get a good sound. Let's go. All right, I think I like what we got right there. As you notice, I was kind of switching between this analog and modern. And for me, the modern just sounded better. The analog was a little darker, a little grittier. Didn't really fit this. The modern was a little bit brighter, kind of brought this beat to life. So let's go ahead and bypass this first, and then we'll bring it in so you guys can hear it. Active. Bypass. As you notice, when I bring this back in, you get some nice subtle glue, just brings this beat together, makes everything cohesive. Just really, really pay attention. I'm not going to over exaggerate it. I just want you guys to hear the subtleness that it brings to this beat and just really, really takes this beat to the next level. Active. Bypass. As you guys heard with that bypass, it kind of just took the bottom out of this beat, man. I like what this Zebra Clipper did, man. As you see, I didn't really do much. I have the mojo on 37%. I have the sub boost on 23. I have the blend on 100%. And also have the style on modern. I think it makes this beat, it kind of takes this beat to the next level. Like I said, it just brings everything together, brings up all those low sounds. It kind of evens everything out and just makes this beat more cohesive, more bang, more knock. I really like what this Zebra Clipper does. Yes, sir. That was the Zebra Clipper by Safari Pedals, man. What do you guys think about this new Clipper plugin, man? Let's talk about it in the comments below, man. Do you guys think it's fire? Do you guys think it's just okay? Let's talk about it in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, be sure to like, subscribe, and share. You can also check out my website, mixedbygels.com, man. You can reach out to me for mixing and mastering services. There's a bunch of ebooks and templates on there as well. Also, be sure to check out the affiliates page, man. That's a way that you can help the channel continue to grow. Or you could just click the links in the description below. Hey, be sure to check out Safari Pedals, man. Head over to their website and download a demo. See if you like the plugin and give it a shot, man. What else do you have to lose, man? Like I said, just give it a shot. So I'll catch you on the next one. It's your boy Gels, baby. I'm gone.